Hey Siri, play Tumbleweed Connection.
Yeah, so I know it seems just like technology, right? But then again, there is a concept. Now, also check this out. Have you ever wondered when you are being woken up by just the brightness of your room? To give you more context, imagine your morning alarm wakes you up by just barely increasing the brightness of your room. Or perhaps as you're making your way to the kitchen, you check your fitness tracker to see how well you slept last night. Or as you sit down to breakfast, your smart TV displays the news headline for the day without you actually typing it. So this is just a glimpse of what the Internet of Things or IoT can actually do. The IoT is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other objects embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. In other words, it's when everyday objects are connected to the internet and can collect and send data. How does it work, right? So these IoT devices have sensors embedded in them, right? So these sensors collect information about your environment and sends it to the cloud. And once it gets to the cloud collects this data, stores it, analyzes it, and uses it to trigger an action. Now, a very good example is, a smart thermostat. It collects information about the temperature of your room, sends it to the cloud analyzes it and uses it back to your room, to make your environment very comfortable. The thermostat will literally adjust the temperature of your home to ensure that it's very convenient. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the IoT. So, the IoT has the potential to make our lives more efficient, convenient, and safe. Here is few examples of the benefit of the IoT. Number one, increased efficiency. IoT devices can be used to automate tasks such as watching plants or turning on lights. This can free up our time to focus on other things. Improved convenience. IoT devices can be used to control devices remotely. For example, you can use your phone to adjust the temperature in your home or turn on your oven. Enhanced safety. IoT devices can be used to monitor for potential hazards such as fire or carbon monoxide leaks. Personalized experiences. IoT devices can be used to collect data about our individual preferences and habits. This data can then be used to provide us with personalized experiences such as recommending products or services that we are likely to be interested in. Another one is new business opportunities. The IoT device is creating new opportunities for businesses to develop innovative products and services. For example, business can use IoT data to improve their supply chains, optimize their operation, and create new customer experience. Now we'll be talking about the benefit. Now let's give more descriptive illustrations, just like we did earlier on. Now imagine a doctor who uses the IoT sensors to detect, a patient's vital signs, right? This can be used to protect or to prevent, early deterioration of the person's health condition, right? Okay, imagine a farmer who uses these sensors to, detect a crop's health, right? This can be used to optimize irrigation and fertilization, and could also be used to detect any potential risk to the plant. Another good example, right, would be also to imagine a city that uses the IoT sensor to monitor traffic flow. This data can then be used to optimize traffic signals and reduce congestions. So the IoT is a rapidly growing field and it is expected to have a major impact on our lives in the years to come. As the number of IoT devices continues to grow, we can expect to see them more innovative and more life-changing applications for this technology. The IoT has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, we work, and play. So as we embrace the IoT, we're actually entering a new level of innovation and optimization, right? So that's it, guys. I'm actually very bad with the ending punchline of my videos, right? But I think like, subscribe, do the needful. No one has ever died from subscribing, actually. So yeah, help this ministry. Thank you, guys. I hope I've been able to demystify, what this means, especially to a lame person, especially in the way you can explain to your grandmother. Basically, that's the whole idea of this session.